Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create or open a new blank PDF document in the Bluebeam Revu application. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to the Bluebeam Revu application, and what you will need to do is click into File in the top left and then select New PDF or New PDF from Template. If you want to use, for example, a template, I will go with PDF here, and then you will go, or you will be given access to that setup or customization menu. Again, you may choose a page template here, adjust and set the document width and height in centimeters or in other measurement units like inches, millimeters, and points. Choose the page orientation, the page count. I will leave it just like that. For example, start with a blank page and then click into OK, and your document, your blank document, will be opened in a new tab. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.